told you to welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. In this video we're going to be checking out WOID, okay? This is a high risk play, recently just got fear launched and the chart is crushing it, you know? So I'm bringing it to you guys so you guys can take a look. Obviously, look for an entry on the project. Don't just ape in, do your own research, because I am not a financial or investment advisor. Everything I say is not financial advice, okay? Always manage your risk when it comes to this space because it is very risky and very volatile. Let's take a look at the WOID token. 100% public screen launch, 100%. No team community, no team tokens, none of that. It's just, you know, community driven project, man. This is the Twitter, 5,900 followers on Twitter. They recently had a burn of 7% of the supply, and look at this chart has just been super bullish, man. Okay, so this is one of those high risk high reward plays. So again, manage your risk, guys. Community driven project, dedicated to creating a fair and transparent ecosystem. Project adopts a fear launch mechanism with tokens entering the liquidity pool at a lower market value of 1,000 BNB LP. In the WOID community, everyone has the right to speak up, and community feedback and suggestions will be highly valued. We believe that only through the collective efforts and wisdom of the community we could create a valuable and innovative ecosystem. WOID DEX Tools Hot #1, recently just launched. WOID is the most exciting gem on Binance chain. Have videos about the project right here. Let's take a quick look.
Welcome to WOID, a fair launch digital currency on the BSC chain. WOID's main pool is locked with 1,000 BNB, ensuring fair distribution and stable pricing. WOID aims to become one of the most popular digital currencies on the BSC chain. By building a strong community and providing high-quality services, we are committed to making WOID a part of the digital economy. If you haven't joined the WOID community yet, join us now. Let's explore the endless possibilities of digital currency together.
Right here, guys, getting the word out, man. They did another burn, and you can see Twitter is very active. It recently launched, man. It has a ton of hype behind it. WOID belongs to everyone. Recently just launched, and you can see from the chart, absolutely parabolic chart, okay? Super parabolic chart. You bought in this dip, you'd be up 2x, but right now it's under $1 million in market cap, okay? So I'm not sure if it will do a retrace back down before continuing up further, but typically you don't want to buy these type of candles. This is too much of a green candle. So, you know, if there's a retrace, not financial advice at all, but if there's a retrace, that's when you get in, right? But yeah, sitting at less than $1 million, just under $1 million in market cap. 10x from here, $10 million in market cap. I wouldn't rule it out. I really wouldn't rule it out. It could come back down to maybe like 900, 800K, or it could just keep going. We saw what Pepe did in 2 weeks, right? Remember, this is all the community. This is no team tokens, none of that, right? So to me, this chart is super, it's like extremely bullish. So I just had to cover it for you guys, man. And yeah, you get in at a less than $1 million market cap entry. It comes back down to maybe, say it does retrace and comes back down to like, you know, 0.7, 0.6. I still believe it will keep going and continue up further, maybe to like $5 to $10 million in market cap, if not more. You just never know when it comes to these projects. This is why you never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you got some money, if you got some liquidity that you want to take a chance on, get into the project with, that's, you know, you do it with projects that look good. Obviously this is a high risk high reward play. This is a meme coin, but yeah, I'm just bringing it to your attention. You know, If you already hold the project, however, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything World AI and World ID and myself will be in the description. And also become a Patreon for exclusive content, early access to all of my content, and access to my personal Discord. I suggest my crypto elite tier right here in the middle, guys. Let's get these gains together. Let's become crypto elites together, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Catch you in the next one.